Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you're all doing well. So as you can tell by the title, I have the Ultimate Mystery Box from Beauty Bay. Now it cost me £35. I have opened the box, I've just not looked inside. I also ordered a makeup brush and some serum, so I just thought I would show you that first. So this is, I believe, the eyeliner brush. Now I've got eyeliners, or the eyeliner brushes, but they're not like super thin, do you know what I mean? So this is Just Wing It. Yeah, I'm hoping that's going to be really thin. Don't know if you can see, so I will give that a go. And then I got this, the Ordinary peptides. Now this is for, targets the appearance of dramatic facial lines. Now I saw an advert, I think it was on actually Google, where there was this lady saying this is basically, what do you call it, Botox in a bottle. Now in between my eyebrows I've got this really deep frown line, let's call it. I'm always bloody frowning, so I wanted to see if this does anything. Also, I mean, I'm at that age now where I've got crow's feet at the corners of my eyes, so I wanted to give this a go. I know this was, I think this was under £8. So yeah, we shall see if I look 21 again. Apply a few drops on the forehead and around the eyes twice daily before heavier treatments. Yeah. So I'll give that a go and I will let you know how it goes. So I have my Beauty Bay box. Like I say, I did open the box, but I have not looked inside. So there is, ooh, let me put this to the side. Okay, did I say it cost me 35 quid? So we have a brush. These things here are really good for, like, if you're traveling, to keep the shape of your brush and to protect it. Oh, this is a cute brush in the buff. Yeah, I like that. I like the rose gold detailing. Okay, next up, oh, a satin pillowcase. Silky soft satin. Peaceful sleep, no bed hair. This will be, oh, I need to open it. This will be great for my daughter. If you didn't know, hang on, I'm just looking for some tools. If you didn't know, my daughter is mixed race. And we obviously have completely different hair. Come on. So this will be really nice for her, because when she normally wakes up in the morning, I call it bushwhacker hair. It's like that she's been dragged through a bush. Oh, I didn't really want to rip it. I'm thinking I can wrap it up. Oh, look at that colour. Oh, that's super soft. I love that colour. Yeah, I want to wrap it up and give it to, you know, as like a stocking filler. Oh, that's really nice. Sorry for the crinkling. Doesn't sound right. Crinkling. Right. Ooh. Okay. So I've got the Alice in Wonderland palette. Now I have already got this. It's just a nice yellow palette. Well, you can see the colours there. I will probably give this away because they're not really my colours. Also, my daughter, it's not her kind of thing. A mini makeup sponge. Oh, there's a pack of 4. Let's see. Oh, I'm going to have to do it this side as well, aren't I? It was sticking to me. Oh, okay. I won't use these. These are good for concealer underneath the eyes, but I mean, I've got a few of these. I just don't use them, so I am more likely to give that away also. Oh, a matte lipstick. Let your lips do the talking with our ultra creamy, intensely pigmented lipstick. Our comfortable, smudge-proof formula lasts on the lips all day long. Find your new favourite. Oh, please be a nice colour. Tea. Oh God, that's not an orange, is it? Oh, that is a. Why does that look all dirty? A nude. Really nice nude. I like that. So at least there's something for me in here now. Okay. Oh. The Disney Colour Collection eyeshadow stick trio. Now I have already got these. Yeah, Alice in Wonderland, The Jungle Book, and Dumbo. Which let me try and get these without dropping everything. Oh dear. Yeah. Which are these? Did you see that? It's very spooky. Okay, so we have, I can't even see, the Mad Hatter, which is this pink. Then, I can't see, Cheshire Cat, which is a purple. And then this one is Dumbo, which is a baby blue. So yeah, again, I would give them away. Then we have, why is my light just gone off? What is that about? So sorry about that. Right, overnight mask. I can't even read that. Anyway, gently exfoliating and conditioning skin for all skin types. An overnight gel treatment designed to gently exfoliate and refresh the skin. Featuring soothing and brightening properties as well as helping the appearance of pores. nice. Okay, looks like a little hand cream, but it's not. Okay, we'll give that a go. Then I've got, what are you? Oh, a lip gloss. Doesn't say the shade. Oh, this is red. What does that say? Lollipop. That's a really nice colour. Oh, I like that. Then we have hydrating eye treatment, caffeine and peptides for brightening and moisturising the under eye, all skin types. I've got so much bloody eye cream, I'm just going to probably pass this on to my mum. Yeah, I use number 7 one. Yeah, so I will give that to the old, I say the old, she's not that old, but okay, so it looks like we've got 2 palettes. So this is the Golden Age 9 colour palette. Oh, look at that. Let's see. Oh, wow. That's very pretty. Beautiful colours, right up my alley. But I've got so many palettes now and probably have got all them colours. I will probably give that, I'll probably give that one to my daughter. Wrap it up, stick it in her, what's it? Her stocking. And then lastly we have, oh wow. We have the new Mood palette, 20 colour palette. The packaging is lovely, isn't it? That's really nice. Let's see. Oh, wow. My eye has gone straight to that one. Look at that. 3 is absolutely stunning. Don't know if that's going to come up on camera. But that is, it's got like a purple, like a lilac shift to it. And then the same for this one, it's got like a green shift. Oh wow, that is stunning. Really, really like that a lot. Right, so that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care and you'll see me in the next one. Bye bye.